quick guide to Facebook privacy settings. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick guide to Facebook privacy settings. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines usually at the bottom right on iPhone or top right on Android. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. From here, scroll down to the Privacy section and tap on Privacy Checkup. You'll see different privacy areas like who can see what you share, how to keep your account secure, how people can find you, and more. Tap on each section and follow the prompts to review and adjust your settings. For example, under Who can see what you share, you can control who sees your profile info, posts, and friend list. Under How people can find you, you can manage who can send you friend requests and who can look you up using your phone number or email. Also, go back and tap Profile and Tagging to manage who can post on your timeline and who can tag you. That's all for the video. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to check your privacy settings regularly to stay in control of your Facebook experience. And make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.